Hello guys, in 1 minute I want to show you how to send a short video messages out to your friends on WhatsApp without leaving WhatsApp. So you open your WhatsApp application, so you select the person that you want to send a video message to. So I've selected this person. So if I want to send the video message, so I'll look for this camera icon over here, as you can see it on my screen. So I'll locate it. So when I locate it, so I'll click and hold it. Can you see? I'll click and hold it, then start hope you get what I'm trying to say, but I cannot make use of the recording right now because I'm using a video screen recorder. Hope you get what I'm trying to say. So it is that easy. If you want to send a short video messages to your friends right on WhatsApp, so that is how to go about it, guys. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye for now.